Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello and welcome again to Legal Break. Thanks so much for joining us, Gary.
Good morning. Glad to be here.
Yes, and glad to have you. Always, yes. Email question. Let's throw it up on the screen. Here we go. Gary, my daughter was in an accident. My insurance company told me not to claim it on my insurance, but to work it out on the other car driver's insurance because it was his fault. They said if we made a claim on ours, my insurance would go up. Can they do this?
All right. I doubt that it was the insurance company that told you that. It was probably your insurance agent. Because agents don't like claims, you know, because they like to have premiums coming in, but they get kind of penalized sometimes, I think, for claims.
Okay.
So, you know, the truth is this. Can it go up? I guess anything's possible. Is it legal in Georgia for it to go up? No. And it's not, unless you're a lousy driver. I mean, unless there's a reason to penalize you or change the rates because of some behavior of yours. But if you're a victim, you've just been hit by somebody and you need to use the product they sold you, why would they penalize you for that, you know? And if they do, and it wasn't your fault, and they're penalizing you, then guess what? Go shop. I mean, there are still lots of options in Georgia and Alabama for insurance besides the usual suspects even. So, I don't know. I do hear that a lot, and I think early on it's smart on the property damage. If that can be resolved really quickly, then you're not dealing with a deductible. You really don't have to put your insurance at risk, and you just, it's easy if that's all you're dealing with. But if you're dealing with an uninsured motorist claim or some other product, including medical payment or some things you've bought under your policy, then you have an obligation, frankly, under the law, to tell them about it, or under Georgia law anyway, there's some confusing law that says if you don't tell us in time, then we may not have to give you the product you bought.
Oh, wow.
So I don't think that's true.
Yeah.
And I tell people all the time. So the other argument they'll say is, well, if you make a claim on your uninsured motorist coverage, you're going to sue your own company. Well, guess what? It's not your company. I mean, if you don't pay your premiums, they don't care about you. You know, so you bought a product. If you need it, you need to use it. Otherwise, tell the agent, look, hey, take that off because I'm not going to use it when I need it. There's no point in paying a premium for it if that's what's going on. Anyway, this comes up a lot.
It does,
but there is law on it that says you can't penalize somebody just for using a product you sell.
Yeah, very good, very good. So don't be afraid to check into that, right?
That's right. And read your policy. Know what you have.
Yeah, fantastic. Great answer. Thank you so much, Gary. We look forward to your questions. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.